Hello friends and family, and welcome to LPB's Christmas Play and Learn. Today we have Jackie and Paige, and we're going to have some sweet fun and gingerbread joy.
Have you ever decorated cookies with tons of sprinkles? It's super fun to do with friends and can spread some holiday cheer.
Today we're going to learn, play, and create and see how gingerbread can bring everyone together. Grab your aprons and let's make some holiday fun.
But girls, you're missing the main ingredient for some joy. My jokes. Yeah. Okay, here's your first joke. So, how does a gingerbread man make up his bed? With a cookie sheet. Did you like that one? I know you're going to love this one. Why did the gingerbread man go to school? He wanted to be a smart cookie. Let's get started with our gingerbread joy.
You should only eat a little candy at a time, Serafina, so you don't get a tummy ache. Maybe I'll just stick to berries. They're sweet and delicious, and they never make me feel sick. But what are we going to do about the house? No problem, really. If we just patch up these holes, it'll be good as new. Oh, no! Maybe I had a few more teensy bites than I thought. The house is ruined! And now we don't have a gingerbread house for the party! Oh, I'm sorry. I guess I got carried away. It's just so delicious. I understand, Serafina, but we can't have our Christmas party without a gingerbread house. Oh, don't worry. I'll help you rebuild it. There's not enough time to build a whole house. Maybe there's something else we can make out of gingerbread. But what? Wow! Hello!
Hey!
Now that's candy-licious. A Christmas tree! Yeah!
We won't have to worry about fairies eating our gingerbread houses with this big craft. Families and friends, for this craft you'll have to start with a box that you can find around the house, and if it has print on the outside, then flip it to the inside.
Now you're ready to start. You can use any markers, but today we're going to be using chalk markers.
Let's get started on our gingerbread village.
Jackie and Paige, you did a wonderful job on your gingerbread village. This is awesome. So tell me what you made, Jackie.
I made a hotel and a grocery store.
Awesome. And Paige, what did you make?
I made a Sephora and I made a candy shop.
Great. These are so good.
All this talk of gingerbread has made me hungry. Let's see what Miss Kathy will help us make today.
Well, Merry Christmas, Paige and Jackie. Today we're going to make an all-time Christmas favorite, Gingerbread Man cookies. This wonderful recipe came from PBS, and the ingredients are quite simple. We have brown sugar, cinnamon, eggs, baking soda, ginger, butterscotch cook and serve, pudding, butter, and flour. Now we've already used all of those wonderful ingredients, mixed them together, and we have our gingerbread dough, and it's been in the refrigerator, And we've taken it out now, and we're ready to roll. We're placing our wonderful gingerbread man in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. There's our timer. It looks like our cookies might be ready. Let's see. Oh boy. This is awesome. And here are your gingerbread cookies. Look. And now you get to decorate your gingerbread man. So you can start with icing. We have M&Ms. We have sprinkles. We have stars. We have all kinds of gels and icing. You can decorate away.
We have an awesome guest reader today, Dr. Robin Merrick. She works at Southern University to help make big plans and bring us all together.
We're so excited she's here to share this wonderful Christmas story with us. Please welcome Dr. Merrick.
Hi, I'm Robin Merrick, and I'm super excited to be here today with LPB and the Play and Learn as we read How to Catch a Gingerbread Man by Adam Wallace and Andy Elkerton. Super excited to be here. How to Catch a Gingerbread Man. Once upon a story time, at the bookstore down the street, some friends come in to have some fun. They're in for quite a treat. Sitting at the story rug with a special book in hand, the reading is about to begin. About me, the gingerbread man. Run, run as fast as you can, the storyteller starts to read. So I pop out right off the page and break away with speed. You kids will never catch me. I'm much too fast for you, especially when I have help from the boy who never grew. This clever trap won't do the trick. You need a magic spell. And with a wizard on my side, your traps won't do so well. You don't need courage, brains, or heart. You've got plenty of those. You only need a better trap to keep me on my toes. You thought this trap would really fool the world's greatest detective? He sees right through your wise disguise. It seems your trap's defective. Now your traps are getting better. I admit, I am impressed. But Robin Hood just saved the day. I think he's just the best. A bow tie, buttons, even pants? This place has everything, but something here is not quite right. What's with this great big spring? What a big trap you had here. The better to catch me with, I think. Too bad my friends helped me escape. I'm up and gone in a blink. This trap you set was no big deal. It's broken now, but how? Perhaps the boy with magic beans saved me with his cow. Alice and her Mad Hat friends, as a gift for my unbirthday, helped guide me through the walls of shelves. Now I'm bound to find my way. What a great day! I'm having fun. You youngsters sure are bright. But have you given up on me? There's not a trap in sight. I've won again, and I must say, this trap wasn't half bad. But as I take my victory lap, I notice you look sad. I may be free, but now I want to see your smiles and laughter. So back I go to give this tale a happily ever after. Wow. The end. What a great book. We hope you really enjoyed the book, and we really hope you enjoy your holidays with your family and friends. And remember, play and learn with LPB over this great holiday break. Happy holidays.
Families, we hope you enjoyed our gingerbread play and learn. Just remember, playing and learning is the best way to prepare your child for school.
May the warmth of Christmas fill every heart with joy.
May you be surrounded with love and laughter throughout this season.
May peace brighten your homes like twinkling lights.
May hope bring all of us joy in the new year.
And may we always cherish these memories together, now and always.
Happy holidays